as we have filters for the image, we also have filters for the voice. Let's check.
How about changing my voice?
I'm gonna cut this, split. Split, you can see the sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, split. Okay, so
how about changing my voice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I select the first one, I go to the 3 circles, and now it says audio effect. I'm gonna choose this one, for instance, 1, cathedral. Number 2 is gonna be large room. Number 3 is gonna be cosmic. Number 4, I select the clip, and it's gonna be telephone. Number 5, select the clip, and then it's gonna be robot. So now I sound like this.
How about changing my voice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.